Find the sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 and plus 7. This is a very similar question that when we did our previous part 1 and part 2 for the introduction for number patterns. But in this case, slightly different, because in the previous two questions, we did the questions based, we have got even numbers. In this case here, we have 7 numbers, that means it's odd number. And so when we pair them up, we will realize that there will be one number that is not being paired, because odd numbers will have got one that is being left out in the sense. So very often many teachers will teach you to find the center number and don't add them up. For example, in this case, I know 4 is the center number, right? So I don't add number 4 first, and I will do the pairing for the rest. For example, 1 plus 7 is 8, and then I go on with all this, okay? And then I will realize that I have got a total of 3 pairs of 8, which is 24. But remember, I left this 4 out, so I have to add it back again. So answer is 28 for this question. Yes, it is not wrong, but this is only when you have 7 numbers. You can see the center number, right? What if you have got more than 7 numbers? Let's say you have got like 55 numbers and they are not consecutive, as in they are not, one after another, but it's like, odd numbers, like 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 all the way until 55. Then you have difficulty finding where the center number. So in this case, I'm going to teach you another method which will help you to solve this question easier. Instead of finding the center number, which sometimes you cannot see, in this case I want you to look at the last number, put it aside, okay, put 7 aside, and then we do the same for the rest. 1 plus 6 is 7, 2 plus 5, again 7, and finally 3 plus 4 is also 7. So we realize over here there are 3 groups of 7, right? And don't forget this 7 over here, which we did not include earlier on, so I plus another 7, and my answer is also 28. Of course, this should be the same number, but look carefully over here. 3 7s plus 1 more 7. Actually, I can add this up one more time. Instead of 3 7s, I can use it as 4 7. 4 times 7 would be 28. Okay, give you another example. Let's say we do this. Okay, now sorry, wrong numbers. It should be 10. It should be 10. Okay, so using the same method, what I'm going to do, I'm going to circle this last number, freeze it, and then I will do my usual pairing. Okay, 1 and 12 will give me 13. 2 and 11, also 13. If I carry on, it will all be 13, right? 12 numbers means there are 6. So I will have 6 pairs of 13. And don't forget, I still got this 13 which I've frozen. I plus 1 more 13. So actually, it's not 6 pairs of 13 only. Actually, there are 7 pairs of 13. Alright? Which is equals to 91. So I hope through this 3 lesson on number pattern, it helps you to give you a very good grounding on when in the future when you see such numbers, what should you be doing using this method of pairing. Thank you.